Okay, this is my bike check. I'm riding a 20.5 top tube fit team trail. I start from the back. I'm running Animal ASMs. Mirraco hub. Laced to an Alex rim, I think. It's pretty shit. Got fit team cranks. I got Animal Hamilton pedals. They're sealed, but all good. This is my ECLAT seat. It's plastic, hurts the ass. It's all good. I got 8-inch rise bars. I think they're from Stolen. And my stem is a We the People Supreme. I got fit blades. I think I got I think that's supposed to say FSA headset. I got a fly RUBBEN in the front. And that's basically it. My sprocket is the Federal, I think. That's if you want to hear the hub, just hold on. I guess it rolls pretty good, but my front hub, it's shit. So let's say you pick it up and say you roll on it, it stops immediately. Awesome hub. I'm joking, it sucks dick. I have to get a new one. It's my Van sticker I got from my shoe, and I rod my frame. This is how it turned out. Pretty scratchy here, I don't know why. Sand it, and there's this little rusted part, but other than that, it's all good. So yeah, peace.